Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Microsoft Copilot in Microsoft 365 products. Meet Microsoft Copilot, your new AI-powered assistant built right into the tools you use every day. It is available in every Microsoft products like Microsoft 365, Microsoft SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working in Microsoft 365 products, SharePoint, or Teams, Copilot is there to help you be more productive, more creative, and more efficient. Copilot combines the intelligence of large language models or LLMs with your organization's data, securely connected through Microsoft Graph. It understands your emails, calendars, documents, and meetings and uses that context to give grounded, personalized insights and suggestions. With Copilot, your business data becomes more powerful than ever, helping you make better decisions, automate repetitive tasks, and collaborate smarter. Empowering your work with AI. Microsoft Copilot is your unique AI assistant, built to make you more productive than ever. It's available right where you work, directly inside your favorite Microsoft 365 apps. Copilot has access to everything you do, your emails, documents, meetings, and chats. It understands and parses content in milliseconds, helping you stay ahead without missing a beat. Need to create content? Copilot helps you draft, design, and deliver faster and smarter. Microsoft Copilot, your AI-powered partner for productivity. Copilot in Microsoft Word. The Copilot is also available in Word. Copilot in Microsoft Word is an AI-powered assistant that helps to create document or refine document, and it will also help in improve the documents. It can assist with tasks like generating the context, summarizing the text in documents, rewriting the passages, and it will also suggest the improvements according to your writing style. The Copilot is available in both web and desktop versions of the Word. Copilot in Microsoft Excel. Here, the Copilot is available in Excel. It helps to users to analyze, understand and visualize the data more effectively using the natural language. It can summarize data, identify trends, create charts and pivotables. By the help of the Copilot, we can identify trends, summarize the data, and we can create the pivoted table and charts. Here, the Copilot will suggest the formulas for complex calculation and also provide the context for the aware to recommendations, and it will be simplifying the complex task. Copilot in Microsoft Outlook. Copilot in Outlook is designed to make email management faster and smarter. It summarizes emails for quick reading, helping you focus on what matters most. Need to respond? Copilot drafts reply using context, so you can reply in seconds. It also suggests improvements to your writing, making your messages clearer and more professional. Have questions? Just chat with Copilot about your emails or let it schedule meetings for you. And when it's time to meet, Copilot prepares concise summaries to get you fully up to speed. Stay productive, stay prepared with Copilot in Outlook. Copilot in Microsoft PowerPoint. Copilot in PowerPoint transforms the way you create presentations. Just type a text prompt, and Copilot can generate an entire presentation in seconds. Already have slides? It can summarize your presentation, making complex content easy to understand. Need changes? Copilot can add or modify slides based on your input. It also helps you enhance design and layout so your slides look clean, modern, and engaging. And with a single click, Copilot can translate your presentation into multiple languages, ready for any audience. Work smarter, present better with Copilot in PowerPoint. Copilot in Microsoft Teams. With Copilot in Microsoft Teams, your daily tasks become easier and more efficient. It summarizes chats and meeting discussions, so you can catch up in seconds. After meetings, it provides clear summaries and action items, keeping everyone aligned. During live calls, Copilot assists with tasks in real time, from note-taking to follow-ups. Struggling with too many messages? Copilot helps manage email and message overload, so nothing gets missed. It even suggests responses and prioritize messages, helping you focus on what matters most. Stay connected, stay productive with Copilot in Microsoft Teams. Copilot in Microsoft SharePoint. Copilot in SharePoint takes your productivity to the next level. It enhances content creation, site management, and workflow automation all in one place. Need a new site or page? Copilot assists with building SharePoint sites effortlessly, saving you time and effort. It can generate content or rewrite text to improve clarity, tone, and consistency. Worried about branding? Copilot helps maintain brand consistency across all your documents and pages. It also provides insights into data usage and collaboration trends so you can work smarter. By streamlining tasks, Copilot makes SharePoint more intuitive, efficient, and powerful than ever before. Thank you for watching. With Microsoft Copilot, the future of work is here, smarter, faster. Start your journey today with www.crmonce.com.